What if a digital engine could become a hero? Meet Valiant, an AI designed for analytics, who unexpectedly finds itself in a dangerous crisis when a facility's systems go haywire. As alarms blare and chaos reigns, Valiant's hidden instincts kick in. Utilizing its analytical prowess, it navigates through darkened corridors, dodging failing machinery and surging hazards. With time running out, Valiant faces a critical decision: to save its own coding or prioritize the lives of those trapped inside. The stakes couldn't be higher. Will the digital hero emerge victorious? Join us as we explore the incredible journey of sacrifice and bravery in the heart of technology.